Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Techno Guy, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you about here's it about Hi-Fi Finance. So let's start our video. So what is Hi-Fi Finance MFT? What is Hi-Fi Finance token? What is MFT token? The lending protocol allow anyone to borrow against their crypto. Buying and selling the tokenized debt enables fixed rate lending and borrowing. Something much needed is in decentralized finance today. What is Hi-Fi Finance MFT? Hi-Fi Finance previously mainframe is a decentralized cryptocurrency ERC20 token created in September 2013 by Mick Hagen. According to the official mainframe white paper, MFT is an integral part of the mainframe protocol operation, which aims to provide a secure platform for communications that is not restricted by censorship. MFT has attracted interest from crypto enthusiasts because it tackles an increasingly important problem in the face of censorship and the security of messaging services globally. Mainframe claims to be a revolutionary read on what an online privacy should be. It employs blockchain technologies innate privacy characteristics to bring a more secure communications outlet to the world. So here's it outside to the world. Who are the founders? So Mick Hagen is the driving force behind the mainframe protocol and MFT. His professional career has taken more than one turn. However, he has proven to be an expert in communication and blockchain technology throughout his work. After dropping out from Princeton in 2006, after having spent only a year at the prestigious university, Hagen founded Zitch, an app aiming to help students find the best available higher education path. Later, he sold Zitch and focused on developing cryptocurrency-based solutions. This arriving at the idea for mainframe. So here's it. Another prominent figure of the team behind mainframe is Carl Youngblood, the company's chief technical officer. He joined the company in 2017 and was fundamental additional to the mainframe team. Of course, this is not the entirety of the mainframe team, as more than 15 people have helped boost and develop operations over the years. However, Mick Hagen and Carl Youngblood are the most critical links in the chain. What makes his Hi-Fi Finance unique? So it's it. Hi-Fi Finance is a unique project because unlike most cryptocurrencies out there, it does not aim to completely replace the way finance is done at present. On the contrary, through the MFT token, mainframe seeks to utilize the potential of blockchain technology for personal data security and privacy. One of the mainframe network's features is that it employs several different sub-protocols with enhanced encryption services and functions like dark routing. This ensures that privacy is safeguarded and communications going through the network are protected. The mainframe platform allows users to safely and securely send files, create decentralized DApps, and store data on the blockchain. To guarantee the accuracy of validators' nodes, mainframe set up the protocol to execute incentivized economics. Validators are rewarded for their work. How many Hi-Fi Finance MFT coins are there in circulation? So Hi-Fi Finance organized one of the biggest online airdrops of tokens ever held. The company created 10 billion MFT tokens, half of which are already employed in different functions. Around 2.5 billion tokens were reserved to support functionality on the mainframe network. In a series of small physical airdrops all over the world, mainframe distributed a portion of the remaining 2.5 billion tokens for private sale. The rest of the available MFT coins were made available for purchase during the grand online airdrop held between March and June 2018. So here, how is the Hi-Fi Finance network secured? The Hi-Fi Finance protocol is based on Ethereum, and the mainframe coin is an ERC20 token which allow you to store it in Ethereum wallets. Considering its Ethereum roots, mainframe is secured by the proof of stake POS model. So here's it. Proof of stake protocol try to battle the vast power consumption required by proof of work POW systems by placing greater importance on the number of coins held by miners rather than their mining capacity. POS models are becoming increasingly popular as they require less electrical power and are easily scalable. Hi-Fi Ethereum compatibility also makes it an excellent environment for the development of DApps. Where can you buy Hi-Fi Finance MFT. MFT coins are relatively accessible for purchase, being ERC20 tokens. One of your solid choice is Binance, which has the second largest trade volume of MFT coins, $2074,002. Another option to purchase an MFT coins is Upbit. The exchange has an MFT KRW trading volume of $2196885. Of course, it is crucial to note that investing in cryptocurrency can be risky as coin prices are incredibly volatile. So here's yet stable versus fixed rate lending is also provided here. This is a common question among our community. So let's explore the difference between mainframe fixed rate loans and AAV stable rate loans. So here's yet AAV's stable rate loan. AAV's stable rate product allow borrowers to pay a premium in exchange for their loan to have less interest rate volatility. Essentially, AAVE allows users to accept a higher interest rate and origination that most likely won't change in response to fluctuations in demand for the borrowed asset. However, if there is a crash, your stable rate will probably change. Yet mainframe rate loans is also provided here, and mainframe is now Hifi. So basically, this is all about the Hifi finance. So if you like my video, then please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.